Hey, do you remember this?
Alright guys, so I have a question for you. How much hours you think you sit per day? When you get that figure, add 4 to it. Why? We eating, driving, commuting, using the toilet, and just chilling.
Now, here's one simple stretch that you want to add to your daily routine to help with your prolonged sitting. Stay tuned. Hey, Denise here, and welcome to another episode from Life Cycle 360. Now, in this episode, I want to give you one simple stretch. It's going to work on the shoulders that keeps rounding when we sit in a lot, and also that posterior chain. We're going to hit those hamstrings, calves, glutes, and most of all, we're going to get you in a position that's going to offset that prolonged sitting. We're going to get into the downward dog, and we're going to alternate toe taps. Let's go. Hey, don't forget, subscribe, hit that notification button, and share